morning, children. Lesson number 15. A memorable ceremony. Let's see in this lesson why it is said as a memorable ceremony to Shivaji. Why did Shivaji Maharaj have himself crowned? Shivaji took the oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar. He had to face numerous difficulties and calamities in his efforts to win Swaraj for his people. But with great courage and skill, Shivaji overcame them all. Shivaji had stepped out of his childhood and was growing fast. Men like Baji Prabhu, Murar Baji, Tanaji nursed it with their blood. The new kingdom was both respected and feared. With a view to having this kingdom recognized by all other princes in the land, big and small, Shivaji decided to have himself crowned. After hundreds of years, a king was born in Maharashtra who would treat like religious equally and give justice and happiness to his subjects. Shivaji decided to have himself crowned so that everyone could come to know that Swaraj had been firmly established. He did not do it for self-glorification or personal happiness. He did it to give newly founded Swaraj a firm footing. The capital of Swaraj. Shivaji selected Raigad as the capital of his kingdom. Raigad was a strong hill fort from where it was easy to administrate the kingdom and keep a watch on the enemy. Shivaji Raje inspected his troops at Chiplun. He visited Pratapgarh and took Goddess Bhavani's darshan. In grateful memory, he presented to the temple a golden canopy for goddesses. Preparation for the coronation. Then Shivaji Raje ordered a golden throne to be made, and he had it studded with precious stones. He put a white royal umbrella over the throne. Invitations to the coronation were sent out to princes and kings and learned Brahmins, all the Sardar under his command, and other officers. Gagabhat came from Varanasi to act the chief priest at the ceremony. Gagabhat originally belonged to Paitan but had settled down in Varanasi. He was a great and renowned scholar respected in Varanasi. Shivaji Maharaj made detailed preparation for the coronation. Men were sent out to bring waters of the 7 rivers and the seas. Nearly 50,000 people gathered at Raigad. Small tents, big tents, spacious shamiyanas to accommodate the guests could be seen everywhere. The coronation ceremony. The coronation day dawned. It was indeed the most auspicious day. Musicians began to play on their instruments. Singers began to sing. Music and singing filled the air. There was an atmosphere of joy everywhere. Shivaji Raje sat on a golden seat in full of regalia, a canopy and the fan were held over his head. They were priests, each one carrying vessel of ghee, dahi, and honey. Gaga Bhatt himself carried a gold vessel filled with the water of the 7 rivers Ganga, Sindhu, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, and Kaveri. Gaga Bhatt held the vessels over Shivaji's head and started reciting the coronation mantras from 100 tiny holes in the vessel. Water started dripping down on Shivaji's head. After ablution of the sacred waters, Shivaji Maharaj got up and bowed before Jijamata and touched her feet. Jijamata held him closed embrace. Her eyes were filled with tears of joy. Her 30 years' efforts had at last borne fruit. The dream she had nursed even before Shivaji Maharaj's birth had at last come true. The tears in her eyes were tears of joy and fulfillment. Shivaji Maharaj was also deeply moved. Glory be to both of them. After meeting Mahasahib, Shivaji Maharaj sat on the throne. Maharani Soirabai and the Crown Prince Sambhaji Raje sat next to him. His 8 ministers stood on either side. Gaga Bhatt held the canopy lined with gold and pearls tassels over his head and said, "Victory be to the Shiva Chhatrapati." Now crowned king, the ornament of the race of warriors. Everyone present followed suit and in one voice wished victory to Shivaji Maharaj. Guns were fired from fort after fort. The whole of Maharashtra echoed the one voice, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Shivaji's coronation took place in 1674. From that year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, the coronation calendar. He became a great king like those in whose name people started a new era. He stuck his own coins from foreign envoys were present at the coronation. The English had sent their envoy Occident with valuable presents, subjects from far off area, and place had also come to see this ceremony. The whole world came to know of the big event. Shivaji's fame spread everywhere.